Okay, we are leaving Massey Gap, and it is snowing, and it is cold, about 8 degrees on the thermometer at White Top. And we're not the only nuts out here. There's a group of folks, I think day hiking, who should be following right along any second. So, against our better judgment, here we go. And if I didn't say it before, Happy New Year. First day of the year, January 1st, 2018. Well, someone's lost their hat. Not a very good day for that. And it's a very snowy scene outside Thomas Knob Shelter today. Hello, hello. Happy New Year. January 1st, coming at you from Thomas Knob. And it is cold. It is like 12 degrees. You can see the ice hanging from my beard. And I think we're going to hightail it out of here.